In this section, we will do a quick recap of dividing monomials. Recall that a to the m divided by a to the n equals to a to the m minus n. In other words, when you divide the same base, we subtract the powers and keep the base. For example, if we have 24x to the 9th, y to the 6th, z to the 5th, over 36x to the 7th, y, z to the 5th, we would first start by separating the different terms. So we have 24 over 36 times x to the 9th over x to the 7th times y to the 6th over y times z to the 5th over z to the 5th. 24 over 36, 12 can go into 24 twice, and 12 can go into 36 3 times. So 24 over 36 will be 2/3. X to the 9th over x to the 7th. Using this rule, we will keep the base and subtract the powers. Same thing here. There's an exponent of 1, so we will keep the base, subtract the powers. When you have z to the 5th divided by z to the 5th, that'll just give us 1. So now, if you keep simplifying, this will give us 2/3 times z squared times y to the 5th times 1, which I won't write. Now, remember that anytime you multiply a fraction with something that is not a fraction, we would put a 1 underneath the z squared and 1 underneath the y to the 5th. On the numerator, we have a 2, z to the 2nd, y to the 5th. On the denominator, we simply have 3 times 1 times 1, which is 3. And this will be our final answer.